Hello everyone. I'd like to walk you through on how to post for your first discussion. You'll be introducing yourself, so don't worry if you are a little bit afraid of technology at this point. In this video, I will walk you through posting a discussion reply. In this class, our discussions will give you the opportunities to stay connected with others, to practice your grammar, to learn how to read, and to engage in your writing. Discussions are a great way to work on your English. Let me tell you how to post your first discussion. From your Canvas website, go to Discussions. And click on the Discussions icon. Click on your discussion of interest. So it's taking a bit of time to load there. And you can scroll down. We can take a look at this one, Circle Map Introductions. We'll click there. And we'll click on the Discussion 1 icon. You'll see a prompt and an example given by Professor Kevin. In this case, we can see that you're supposed to take a picture of your circle map, and then you have to write an answer to 3 sentences about yourself. What is your name? Where are you from? Why are you taking ESLN 1063? And what are 1 to 3 goals that you have for your English this semester? So I'm going to go ahead and model what that means and how to respond. Basically, I will click here on reply and answer the questions. Hi, my name is Professor Kevin. I would like to share 3 things about myself. I am a professor at Pasadena City College. I have been teaching for 19 years. I love working with students. I've led a student to the CCTV National Speech Finals competition, where she earned 2nd place in the nation of China. I also have a wonderful family. I am the husband of 1 wife. Her name is Rachel. I have 2 wonderful boys named Ian and Elliot. They are a joy to me. Alright, so I answered the first question. And what are 1 to 3 goals that you have for your English this semester? I have 1 goal for myself and 1 goal for the students this semester. I plan to develop myself as an online teacher in order to help my students succeed. My goal for the students is that they would have fun and enjoy learning this semester. Maybe 2 goals, right? All right, so that's what I have said. It's about 200 words or so. And now that I'm done, it's 134 words, I am going to go ahead and post the reply. And as I post this reply, I'm going to press this button. And voila, my reply is saved. And now somebody else can reply to that. And that's how you post to a discussion. Now, again, when you see other people, you can reply to their post and make a comment. Hey, those are some amazing goals. It's nice to have somebody who has such similar values as I in this course. I look forward to getting to know you better. Let's meet our goals together. Okay, so you might have a second reply. This one is anywhere from 50 to 100 words. Let's add 15. By the way, do you study English on the weekends? I think it would be fun to study together. All right, so I've said something safely and I met my 50 minimum words. I'm going to go ahead and post the reply again. And now I have just replied to another person. Okay, so you've now made your initial post and you've been able to reply to at least one person. By Wednesday night, make sure that you reply your initial post before 11:59 p.m. And by Saturday night, make sure that you reply to at least 3 other people before 11:59 p.m. And you now know how to post on discussions. Congratulations. Bye.